Regulators or the company's own risk committee forced a de-risking event. They informed the New York court that they could no longer secure the Trump judgment. They withdrew the bond. Usually a defendant gets 30 days to find a new bond, but this is New York. This is Letitia James. And this is a judge who has lost all patience. The court ruled that given the precarious nature of the defendant's liquidity and the global financial instability, no grace period would be granted. The logic was brutal. If the president is truly worth billions, he can write a check. If he can't write a check, then the assets must be secured now before they lose value in the crashing market. The order was signed at 9 a.m. Immediate seizure. Donald Trump, the president of the United States, effectively got a margin call on his life's work, and he couldn't meet it. So, what does Letitia James take? She doesn't want the golf courses. They are hard to sell, losing money, and full of legal complications. She wants the cash flow. She wants the trophy assets. Target 1, 40 Wall Street, the Trump building. This is the crown jewel of the liquidation list. It's a massive skyscraper in the financial district. But here's the catch. Trump doesn't own the land. He owns the ground lease. Ground leases are tricky. If you default on debt or judgments, the lease can be voided or sold. Taking 40 Wall Street hits Trump where it hurts, his identity as a New York mogul. It is valuable. It is liquid, relatively, and it is symbolic. Target 2, Trump Tower, commercial and retail. Not the penthouse yet. The bottom floors, the Gucci store, the atrium, the office space. The sheriff can appoint a receiver. This is a court-appointed CEO who takes over the building. Imagine this. A bureaucrat appointed by a Democrat attorney general walking into Trump Tower, firing the Trump org management and redirecting all the rent checks from the tenants directly to the state of New York. The president would still own it on paper, but he would lose control. He would lose the cash flow. He would be a tenant in his own building. Target 3, the Seven Springs Estate. This is the property in Westchester that was at the heart of the fraud case, inflated valuations. It is low-hanging fruit. It's not his home. It's an investment property. Seizing it is clean. Target 4, the bank accounts. This is the most immediate threat. The sheriff can send a levy to every bank in New York, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, etc. Any account with the name Trump Organization gets frozen. The money is siphoned out to pay the judgment. If this happens on a Monday morning payroll run, Trump org employees don't get paid. The maids at the hotels, the doormen, the executives, checks bounce. That is how you kill a company in 24 hours. This is where the situation moves from financial crisis to constitutional crisis. Trump Tower is not just an office building. It is the private residence of the President of the United States. It is a fortress. The Secret Service controls the perimeter. They control the elevators. They control the airspace. The sheriff of New York City is a law enforcement officer. He has a court order signed by a judge commanding him to enter the premises and inventory assets. So what happens when the sheriff walks up to the revolving doors on Fifth Avenue? The scenario,